Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick update for those of you that have been asking where the rest of the VTOL series is. Now this series is one that has been filmed with the kind assistance of Ben up at 3DXR here in the northeast of England. Now Ben's main business is building large, expensive UAV systems for agriculture, surveying, mapping, education, universities. So he very generously gave up 2 business days of his time to create this series. So a massive thank you to Ben. I'll put a link down below to his shop so you can go and have a look, because that's the other side of his business. He also is a reseller for lots of the stuff that you use in the hobby. And if you're interested in VTOL, then there's a very good chance the stuff that you need is going to be at Ben's store. But while I was there in the last week finishing the filming, Ben gave me a little bit of a tour. He recently moved into some very big new premises, and that's giving him a lot more space to bring in product and hold stock and expand the kind of stuff that 3DXR resells. So in a moment, I'll pass you over to Ben and he can give you that quick tour. But what I will say is the VTOL series, if you are interested with this week, has now all been finished. It's taken about 5 weeks to get this series filmed, so thank you to everyone for the patience waiting to get to the end. But if you want to, you can go and check out the playlist. I'll put a link down below. All of the videos, there's 5 in total right now, all the videos are actually there waiting to be released. The next 2 or 3 that are waiting to go will come out over the next 3 or 4 weeks. But if you want to see them now, you absolutely can using the playlist. So with that said, let's go over to Ben to give us a quick tour of some of the latest stuff he's stocking at 3DXR.
Okay, so new in at 3DXR we have tri-braided propellers from 6 inches to about 20 inches. So these are the master screw. The old favourites, aeronaut, cam carbon folding and straight spinners. We're always expanding on our selection of propellers. So this is one end of our fixed wing propellers. We're keeping more T-motor arm sets in stock. So these previously were custom orders, whereas now we're trying to basically have everything in stock. New in just today, the AM600. So this is a T-motor product, AM600, and this is for your sort of sports aeroplanes. This particular one here is a 555 kV 6S. This will do some aerobatic fun, beautiful windings, removable from the mount by 3 grub screws. Beautiful bit of engineering. So T-motor keep expanding their fixed wing range, and there's some fantastic products just arrived and also on the way. Down here, we've got new arrivals from the QS connectors. If you thought your connector was big enough, we now have the QS12. So based on a 12mm bullet with anti-spark, you're looking at over 300 amps with these. You might previously have seen the QS10s, and also what is a very nice alternative to XT60s is a QS8. So that's a 8mm bullet with anti-spark. So we now have the full range of the QS connectors, as well as a mass stock, the good old XT60s and XT90s, and again, as always, more and more arriving all the time. Our T-motor section, so again, we're just keeping more and more products on the shelves. Popular ranges like the Flame and Alpha ESCs, again, keeping 60 to 100 each in stock. A new video transmitter in, so this is the MK15, an Android-based video, telemetry and control for multi-rotors or fixed wing. Trusty turret range, so various turret motors, quick release landing gears, electronic landing gears, and the usual turret accessories, power distribution. Our other propeller wall, so we have our APC fixed wing propellers. We also have propellers specifically for VTOLs. So this is a V40 propeller. So you need a big drone to fit that on. But this offers the best of multi-rotor and fixed wing performance, so slightly different pitches and size offerings to normal, based around a sort of wooden core carbon propeller. We have our traditional wooden Zoar propellers, so popular on pushers of electric and gas. We've also expanded our range of servos. So previously we have Emax, JX servos, and now we're adding more and more all the time. So we've got in the latest KST ranges, we've got X20s, X10s, and all different sizes, the programming tools, and we'll have many more of these servos and in different sizes and different product range, as well as slim, low profile servos, loads more coming. So we aim to offer servos for everything in the coming months. Holybro, just a quick one down here. We've got a few new PDBs and current and voltage monitors. So this is a nice little addition here. This is a 6-way PDB and it has pre-soldered XT30s on it. So this splits out your XT60 into up to 6 XT30s. That is just a power distribution board, no sensing. And then we've got the new product lines, the digital current and voltage sensors, like the PMO2D and the PMO3D. So they're for use with the Holybro 5X series. All the Free Sky radios. So the Tandem X20s, the original Tyrannus, and also the X10 series. Again, we have sort of good stock of those arriving, and they're still a very popular product. We have the full range of NS propellers. These are the new ultralight propellers from T-Motor. Very good for multi-rotors and VTOL as well. Good. So behind door number 9, we have our external battery storage facility. So just to keep our facility safe, we store all our lithium-ion batteries outside. So this is just being sort of filled up as we speak, but we're stocking an ever-increasing range of Gens Ace LiPo batteries. So we have the large multi-rotor batteries. We also have solid-state lithium-ion batteries. So some particularly for the T-Motor M690. So that's a 6S solid-state battery for that. We have our larger drone batteries and an increasing range of small batteries for fixed wings and cars. But this is an area we'd like to greatly improve on this year, is having much more stock of batteries. During the sort of pandemic and with shipping and Brexit and getting the batteries into the country has been very difficult. So we're seeing long lead times in getting lithium batteries. So we'd like to deal with that by holding large amounts of stock. So we've had this insulated cabin fitted here, and the batteries get tested and charged on arrival, and they're also kept in a temperature controlled environment. So we have to keep this heated if it gets too cold, and cool it if it gets too hot. But all of this is to keep the batteries in tip-top condition before they get sent out to our customers.
So there we have it, a quick tour of some of the new stuff from Ben. Again, links down below, go and check it out. It was a bit of a windy day, so apologies for some of that audio. We were doing it on a GoPro and that's normally fine, but it was just the angle that the wind was coming in. There was a little bit of noise on the mic, so hopefully that didn't spoil your enjoyment too much. But again, if you're interested in visiting 3DXR to check out what they've got, links down below, and also links down below to the VTOL playlist that you can preview now in its entirety before it goes public. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organised into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.